Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and in today's video we are checking out the Soundcore Sleep A10. And let me tell you, sleep has never sounded so good. Starting off as always with the unboxing, and we have Soundcore's now signature packaging. You have the how to wear section on the left, accessories in the middle including multiple ear tips and ear wings to get that perfect fit. You have 4 ear tips and 3 ear wings so you can find what's comfortable for you. Next up you have some tips explaining some of the features that you can use in the app. Under there you have the charging case and the teeny tiny earbuds. And lastly you have some paperwork and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Now looking over the case, it's got a really nice pearl effect to the overall finish. It's not quite white, so hopefully that will protect against some stains that white earbuds can get over time. You have LEDs on the front to indicate the battery levels and charging, USB-C around the back along with a Bluetooth pairing button and a nice sliding mechanism to get the earbuds out when you need them. And then inside you'll find a glossy and matte white interior. And then if I can find them, because they're really quite tiny, we have the earbuds. As you may be able to tell, these are Soundcore's smallest earbuds and only come in at 3 grams each. Now trust me, these things are super small and weigh pretty much nothing, which is good when they're meant for sleeping with. Having a very quick comparison with the Sleep A10 compared to my Nothing Ear ones, which are my daily drivers, you can see that it's basically the top section minus off some weight, so again they are extremely small. Now the earbuds have a 4-point noise masking system to help with the overall noise levels at night. Not only do you have the fit of the earbuds with the tips and the ear wings, but they have a noise masking algorithm along with noise masking drivers to block up to 35 decibels of noise. Now to put that into some context, a lot of standard earbuds block out around 20 decibels of noise, so these are going to block out around 15 dB more. Now pretty much everything to do with these earbuds comes with the Soundcore application. Yes, you can use them with standard music services like Spotify for example, but their main purpose is for helping you get to and stay asleep. When you've got them in sleep mode, they will play white noise to help you get to sleep quicker and stay asleep. The sounds won't continue when you're asleep though, as they have adaptive noise detection, meaning that as the earbuds detect you are in a deeper sleep, they will reduce the volume over time. You can also use the sleep data which gets recorded in the app from the earbuds, and you've got tons of information here. I'm loving the fact that Soundcore are coming out with some new features to their earbuds. We've got sleep detection here with the A1s, and I've also done a previous video on some earbuds from Soundcore, the Liberty 4s, which can actually track your heart rate, which again is linked in the description down below. Also in sleep modes, the earbuds have no controls, meaning that you won't accidentally trigger something during the middle of the night. Now the earbuds can also be put into standard music mode. Now with this you can use it with standard streaming services like Spotify or Apple Music for example, but again it's not necessarily made for that. Or you can head over to the fast sleep section of the app for a really good selection of music and white noise to choose from to help you get to sleep. Now while in normal music mode you can do all of the normal stuff that you would think with standard earbuds, so you can change the controls of the earbuds, fine tune your EQ settings, but like I said their main purpose and where they really shine is late at night when you're going to sleep. Comparing the Sleep A10 to a dedicated pair of earbuds, the sound difference is clear for everyday listening. The Sleep A10 just don't pack that normal punch that you get with wireless earbuds for those everyday music situations. However, for me, one of the main purposes of music mode was to use a streaming service like Audible to listen to some audiobooks while falling asleep. Now, I personally am someone that struggles with sleep from time to time, whether it's getting to sleep, staying asleep, or waking up early, and using these earbuds for around the week or so that I have, they're actually done a really good job at helping with that. The tiny design meant that I didn't really feel them in my ear while they were pushing against the pillow, and the overall comfort was great. The soundscapes that they provide along with the music options and music presets sounded great, and it really aided me in falling asleep quicker and staying asleep. Now when it comes to battery life, you're going to be getting around 6 hours of using them on music mode or 10 hours when you're using them on the sleep mode, and like I say, that's pretty much good for the majority of people to get a full night's sleep. And if you take into account the charging case, you're getting around 41 hours of total battery life. So even if you need to use these for a weekend away for example, or just for a longer period of time, you don't necessarily need to worry about charging them every single night. You also have a nice feature with a personalised alarm, meaning that you won't disturb your partner with a loud alarm in the morning. If they want to have a bit of a lie-in, you get your own personalised alarm through the actual earbuds themselves. And that's going to do it guys on this video on the Soundcore Sleep A10. Now like I mentioned, these are a very specialist pair of earbuds. If you're looking for a standard pair of earbuds for listening to music, watching videos, podcasts, that sort of thing, these may not necessarily be for you unless you want to do all of that stuff at night time in comfort. However, if you're someone that struggles with sleep, then the Sleep A10 are a perfect choice for you. I've tried using some standard earbuds to get to sleep and, listen to music in the background or a podcast, whatever it may be, and obviously they are bigger, bulkier, heavier, and they also have those touch sensors on the side that pretty much activated any time I moved around, whereas with the Sleep A10 you just don't get that. As always, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. If you've got any questions or comments, let me know in the comments section down below. If you're not already subscribed, now's a great time to do so. And once you hit that subscribe button, don't forget to turn on your notifications so you're notified anytime I post a video here on the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass. I'm going to go and get a really good night's sleep, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.